Everybody, Jeremiah Krakowski here, and I want to tell you about a new app that I found last week that's going to change your social media content, your blogging, your copywriting, all of that. And this is something that I dreamed up for a while that I would hope exists, and somebody made it, and it's actually way better than I thought it would be. It's called AI. And I'm going to put an affiliate link to this in this post. I highly recommend it to anybody. It uses artificial intelligence to write copy, but it also really works well. It shines with blog posts and social media content. So if you're having trouble coming up with social media content, you can use its blog post topic ideas and blog post outline to come up with ideas for your social content and even figure out how to start it with this creative story generator. So like, for instance, here's we're going to just put here, it's like a story about a guy who struggles to get his business off the ground and take courageous action. And so this gives you ideas for social content that's written in story format. And you can take these and edit them with your actual story about what it generates right here. Let's say you're trying to come up with some headlines for your Facebook ads. You can use that. You can come up with persuasive bullet points. Creating better relationships through, let's just do this. Here's a client. They have what's called the Torah Academy to help them create better relationships. Create persuasive bullet points. The artificial intelligence is going to go to work here. It's processing, and right here. Inspire creativity and innovation. You'll always have something to talk about. Create stronger relationships with people. Help you relate with others better. And so you can even take some of this. You can take some of these. Let's say helps you relate with others better. And you can throw this. That's a feature. And you can throw it into what's called the feature to benefit generator right here. And it's going to give you the benefits of what happens when you can relate to people better. So we're going to go click on generate right here. And this is going to use the artificial intelligence to come up with this content for us. To be honest, this is where it shines so much. Gain insight into people's thoughts and feelings, increase empathy for others. You'll have better relationships with friends and family. You'll know what to say in any situation. Feel more confident about talking to people. So that's how it can help you write your copy, as well as using some of these frameworks like the ADA framework and the Problem Agitate Solution framework. I really like those. But also Content Improver is really cool. I'm using this to where if I come up with like a basic idea for a piece of content, embarrassment should never feel painful as it seems in the moment. It's never as painful as it seems in the moment. The AI is going to go to work and actually write me some content that improves upon that simple sentence right here. And so then I can edit that, tweak it, adjust it. Embarrassment's like a bee sting. It may be sudden and painful, but then the pain goes away. See? So it's adjusting the content and generating content for me. And so you can take some of this, make this like your social media posts. Let's say that you're struggling with what content ideas. You can use the topic generator right here. Feeling embarrassed. Here's an example of this for business owners, okay? Blog post ideas. Let's just generate this. I'm showing you this all live, just using the app right here. What's the worst thing that could happen today? Why? These are funny. How to make cold calls without feeling embarrassed. So these are like ideas. Obviously, not all of them are the best. Not all of them are the greatest. Let's say you have like a coaching program that you're selling. So we might put that into here. Not everything is going to come out perfectly through this, but there's gold that's going to give you ideas for what to make your content and how to put it. I'm using it to make my sales pages better, make my content better, express my thoughts better, come up with some ideas for maybe what continues a thought on a piece of content. And so I really highly recommend you check it out. Conversion.ai. I did a podcast episode this week. It's about 20 minutes long, where I really break down a lot of the features of it. So you can watch me do a demo of the product on that podcast episode. I have the link here in the description to the podcast episode, as well as my affiliate link to check out this app. That's as much as I can kind of show you in this 3-minute video. But I think you're really going to like it using it. And you're going to find a lot of value if you try it out for creating content, creating blog posts, as well as refining your sales copy